strictly vlogs and moving to Ghana, moving to UK, relocation stuff, and then I can put my weight gain, hair stuff. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been such a very long time but I want to say thank you so much. Thank you for 500 subscribers. I think I have 500 subscribers now on this channel, and I got an extra 100, I think, because when I went on a break, I think we were about 400 or 350, I'm not sure, but thank you so much. Welcome. I know a lot of you came here from my video about Ghana, and I do have some videos about Ghana, moving to Ghana, universities in Ghana and stuff like that I have to edit and upload. But right now I am in Manchester, UK, so I would do some vlogs. I would record some vlogs about Manchester, UK. So just in case you see a video about UK today and you see another video about Ghana, please do not be confused, because I have some old clips that I would still love to upload on this channel. So live updates, I am in school right now. I'm studying for my master's digital marketing, and I'm going to make another video for my hair channel. Yeah, so that is Chidera Steven. This channel is Chidera is here. So this channel is going to be strictly all things vlogs. I plan to make videos about my weight journey, my weight gain, but I've not concluded if I should post them on this channel or on my other channel. And I have gotten a couple of emails from some people. They were asking me about Ghana, housing in Ghana. I thought I already made a video about this, but I'm not clear. I will go through the emails and I'll try to make videos about Ghana if you are thinking of moving to Ghana from Nigeria. Well, to be fair, I've not made a lot of videos here in UK because I've been so swamped with school, work, and trying to get my life together, and I've had so much to do. Even right now I have like a whole lot to do. And yes, saying that, so my website, I have launched my website. Please feel free to go on my website and hire me for copywriting services, social media management, and digital marketing and stuff like that. I need freelance clients. I'm open to like 2 more for the coming months. So yeah, just like I said, I'll keep this channel all things vlog, and maybe I will pop a little of my weight gain here, because my other channel is about natural hair and skincare. So maybe this channel could do vlogs and my weight gain. Please feel free to leave a comment. Tell me what you think. How do you think I should go about this? Should I keep this channel strictly vlogs and moving to Ghana, moving to UK, relocation stuff, and then I can put my weight gain, hair stuff, and skincare on my other channel? Please leave a comment. And yeah, this video is just very short because I'm just here to say I missed you and I hope you missed me. And thank you guys so much. Some of you messaged me on Instagram. I have a lot of Instagram DMs that I have not replied. Please, I'm not a snob. I've just had a lot going on and I've not really been active on socials. Feel free to check out my TikTok, Chidera Steven _. I do have a couple of new videos on my TikTok, and I'll also post some items on my Instagram, and I will reply your messages on Instagram, please. Thank you. I got about 3 or 5 messages where people were like, are you okay? Are you fine? I've not seen you post something on YouTube. Is everything good? I'm fine. As you can see, this video shows that I am alive. I was not kidnapped. So thank you guys so much, and don't forget to share my videos like you guys have been doing so amazing well. Share my videos, like, leave a comment, subscribe, tell me what you want to see in Manchester, in UK. Maybe I'll go to London, I've not decided. So yeah, that is it. Do have a nice day and enjoy the rest of your day wherever you are. If it's summer, if it's summertime, just stay fabulous. See you in my next video. Bye.